Guys, hi again, Steve here from Steve's RC Shop and RC Winches in Leicester. We've just actually done a video on our new Black Rat Servo Winch. We demonstrated that running at 5 volts and 6 volts, pulling around 11 kilos on a rolling drag. So if you haven't seen that video, have a look through. These are a direct plug into your receiver to work from a spare channel on a 3-position switch. As I mentioned in the other video, if you are running a higher voltage at your receiver, the Black Rat Servo, it won't cope. 6 volts maximum. They work fine on 5, nothing wrong with that at all. No need to run them on 6, but they will cope with it. So if you are running, again, 5 or 6, but definitely higher this time, say 7.4, you'll need a servo winch that will actually cope with that voltage. So on our little test rig here, just going to pop that one over here, on our little test rig here, ignore the wiring. There's lots of different circuits on here for lots of different things, but primarily we've got our Virus 3 servo winch here. In fact, if I just grab the Virus X, it is a different servo, different servo winch, but primarily it's the same. So you've got your drum on there with 3 meters of line, hook colour of choice, whether it's silver or black. That one operates from a handheld key fob. So again, the Virus 3 runs from a spare channel on a 3-position switch. As in the other video, I've got on here, so I can just in and out. So this is running at 7.4 volts. I've got a 3S battery, but it's going through a bypass kit here. So I haven't got 7.4 volts at the receiver. It's only running at 5, so I'm just using the signal wire off the receiver, and I'm using a bypass kit to give it exactly 7.4 volts. But if you've got 7.4 at the receiver, you can go direct in there. So in comparison to the Black Rat, it will pull a lot more weight. It's a lot stronger. But the benefit of running this at 7.4 volts is it will actually turn around a lot quicker. So before we take it outside and do a demonstration, here's just a quick line speed demo. So if I just winch it out first, and then I'll winch back in. And yeah, it's a little bit noisy. Servos aren't really designed to be used as winches. You know, it's one of those things. I mean, this has actually been punished quite a lot actually over the past, well, few months, because a little bit of development work with it. But you know, the gears in there, you know, it's the same as your reversing gear on your car. They're straight cut, so it will be noisy. It's something that's not going to drive you up the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and pin this out outside. We're going to put it on again, 11 kilos of weight, but you'll see the difference in between the two servo winches. The Black Rat, which will pull it along happily, but this one is going to pull it along with a lot more ease. So we're just going to pause the video, and we'll be outside in a second. Right, so as you can see, guys, I've got the little demo rig pinned down here, and there's the car at the back, which is probably about 3 meters out, and there's the 11 kilos on there. So we're just going to winch it in. Wrong way. So it's much faster than the Black Rat. Quite a bit more power. It's got absolutely no problem at all pulling 11 kilos. And that car is literally rubbing into the ground. So that is your Virus 3 servo winch.